Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's dive right into creating task dependencies with lead and lag time, your complete 2025 guide. First up, we need to identify our tasks. In your project management tool, list out all the tasks for your project. This is vital because each task affects the others, and knowing how they align is the foundation of creating dependencies. Now that we've done that, let's link the tasks. Click on the first task, then hold the Shift key and click on the second task. This will create a dependency. We do this because in a project, one task often can't start until another is completed. The next step is to assign lead and lag time. Lead time allows the successor task to start before its predecessor task is finished. On the contrary, lag time delays the start of the successor task. To add these, simply type in the task dependency window either +lag or nice lead, followed by the time. This helps us schedule tasks more efficiently and effectively. To adjust the lead and lag time, just go back to the task dependency window and modify the values. This is important because project timelines can change, and you need to be able to adapt your schedule accordingly. Lastly, confirm your changes. Always double-check your work to ensure accuracy. This ensures your project will run smoothly without any unnecessary hiccups. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effectively create task dependencies with lead and lag time. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, good project management is all about being adaptable and keeping your tasks organized. Till next time, stay productive.